Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next module number MECH underscore P underscore 038 underscore Raymond Survey John Jute. Statement. Air is blown into a spherical balloon so that when its radius is 6.50 centimeter, its radius is increasing at the rate 0.900 centimeter per second. Part A. Find the rate at which the volume of the balloon is increasing. Part B. If this volume flow rate of air entering the balloon is constant, if this volume flow rate of air entering the balloon is constant, at what rate will the radius be increasing when the radius is 13.0 centimeter? Okay. Yes, students, here two radius are given. Okay. One is 6.5 and the other is double of its, that is 13.0 centimeter. Okay. So in part A we will use earlier radius, and in part B we will use the double radius, that is 13.0. Now we move on to next slide to see its solution. Solution. Part A. Here balloon is being treated as a sphere. Okay. We know that volume of a sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now, rate of volume increase is equal to derivative of v with respect to time, that is dv over dt. Okay, which is equivalently equal to d over dt into using the value of v, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here, dear students, 4 by 3 and pi are constants, so these will become out of d over dt, and we will differentiate only r cube with respect to t. Okay. This alternatively becomes equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3r square into dr by dt. Okay. This is equivalently equal to 4 pi r square dr by dt, because 3 will be cancelled with 3. Okay. Here, dear students, using pi equal to 3.14, we have already discussed this thing in detail, that decimal representation of pi is non-terminating and non-repeating. Okay. Here we have confined its value only to 2 decimal places. Okay. Using pi equal to 3.14, radius r equal to 6.5 centimeter, then dr by dt and dr by dt equal to 0.9 centimeter per second, which is given. Okay. This quantity is given in this statement. Okay. dr by dt equal to 0.9 centimeter per second. Now we will put all these values in the above expression. Okay. dv by dt is equal to 4 into 3.14 into 6.5 centimeter whole square into 0.9 centimeter per second, and hence dv by dt becomes alternatively equal to 477.594 centimeter cube over second. Okay, this is the answer of question A, solution of problem A. Okay, now we move on to part B. Part B. Now dv by dt is equal to d over dt 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3r square into dr by dt, which is alternatively equal to 4 pi r square dr by dt. This implies that from dr by dt will be equal to dv by dt dv by dt into 1 over 4 pi r square. Okay, because dv by dt is equal to 4 pi r square dr by dt. From here, this implies that dr by dt will be equal to this 4 pi r square, which is here being multiplied, will be divided on the other side. Okay, then it will move on other side, it will become denominator. Okay, this implies that dr by dt is equal to dv by dt into 1 over 4 pi r square, which is alternatively equal to 477.594 centimeter cube over second, which we have calculated in the previous slide. Okay, what is this? This is the value of dv by dt, which we have calculated in part A. Okay, multiplied by 1 over 4 into 3.14 value of pi into 13 centimeter whole square. Okay, new double radius. In here, instead of 6.5, we have used double radius 13 centimeter. Okay, so here dv by dt becomes equal to 0.225 centimeter per second. Okay, because here centimeter cube is in the numerator and centimeter square 13 centimeter whole square is in the denominator, so only 1 centimeter in the denominator will be left. Okay, hence rate of increase of balloon's radius is 0.225 centimeter per second, and this is the answer of question B, solution of problem B, and this is the end of our module. Okay.